Yo, 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 what's up? Mrs. Watson in the house. Today we are going to learn how to add and subtract positive and negative decimals. The water level in the Colorado River is 2.55 meters below average. So since it's below, that's going to be negative. A large rainfall caused the water level to rise 0.8 meters. So if it's rising, it's positive. What is the water level after the rainfall? So let's look back at this problem and think about what we know. We know it was 2.55 meters below, which is going to be negative 2 and 55 hundredths, and that the rainfall caused the water to rise, which is positive, 0.8 meters. So something else that I know is that if I have different signs, that I am going to need to subtract those if I'm putting those together. So when our signs are different, we subtract, and we're going to keep the sign of the bigger number, and the bigger number is 2.55, which means it has the greatest absolute value. So let's talk about what we need to know. We need to know what is the water level after the rainfall. So we're looking for the current water level. Well, in order to get that, we need to combine those numbers, and we combine them by subtracting. So I'm going to put my bigger number on top, 2.55, and I'm going to subtract 0.8, making sure I line my place values up. 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 8, can't do that. I got to regroup. 15 minus 8 is 7. 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring my decimal place straight down. And since my negative is bigger, my value is going to be negative. So the solution is 1.75 meters below. So I can use that word to show the negative, or I can write negative 1.75. Either one of those is correct. Now let's look at a straight computation problem. I got 9 plus negative 7.4. So our 9 is a positive number, and our 7.4 is a negative number. So we have different signs again, so I need to set those up to subtract them. My bigger number is 9, so it's going to go on top and subtract 7.4. I'm going to make sure I'm lining up my place values when I do this. I need to regroup. 10 minus 4 is 6, 8 minus 7 is 1, bring down my decimal, and it's going to be a positive since my positive was the bigger number. Okay, so we just finished up 2 practice problems on adding and subtracting positive and negative decimals. Let's just remember that if the signs are the same, like they are here and here, we are just going to add them and use the same sign. If the signs are different, we are then going to subtract them and take the sign of the number with the greatest absolute value, which just means the bigger number.